Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the same Google account that's on the lost phone. This ties the device to your ID. Once done, make sure location and Google's Find My Device are enabled, because without them, the phone can't report its position. While you're at it, check battery level and connectivity. The phone must be powered and online for real-time tracking. Now, keep your computer or another phone ready and open a browser to continue. We'll use Google Tools next. On your computer or a friend's phone, go to Google and search Find My Phone while logged into the same account. This immediately queries devices linked to you. Then select the correct device from the displayed list. Google shows the last known location and, if online, a live position on the map. Use the ring option to make the phone play a loud sound. If you can't reach it, choose Secure Device to lock it with a message or erase as a last resort. If the map shows a precise location, go retrieve the phone safely or ask someone local to help. Do not confront suspects. Make sure to use Secure Device to lock it and display a contact number so an honest finder can return it. If you suspect theft, file a police report and use Erase only when retrieval is impossible. Erasing removes tracking ability. Troubleshooting tip. If tracking shows offline, check last seen timestamp. Wait and retry when the phone reconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.